Dry pour concrete slab day number 2. I was doing a little something extra. So the first slab over here, when I pulled the form off, it's solid. But when I pulled the form off, it was kind of lipping over, or I guess if that's what you want to call it. So when I peeled the form off, it peeled up over. So basically the concrete from here was coming over onto the form, and it was just caked up on the form as it was drying. Then when I peeled the form off, you know, if this kind of makes sense, the mortar that was hanging over the form peeled up this way. So what I'm doing is learning from that one, and I'm gonna go ahead and not let it cake up on the side here. So you see how it's kind of not overlapping. So like what I was saying before was, the last time it was overlapping like this, as I peeled the form off, it peeled back and you know, took a little piece off of the slab. So right here what I'm doing is just keeping it clean. It's already starting to peel away on its own. Right here, peeling away on its own. But like I was saying before, the mortar was hanging over. So as I pulled the form off, it broke off. It was just superficial, little superficial break on the top side. But if you can see, it's peeling away on its own. Peeling away on its own. Then what I'm gonna do with the guy, it's like official, Zane, everything something. What he ended up doing was kind of just sanding down the edges, opposed to using that deal, which I tried to do. I tried to use it, but it wasn't working out for me. So I just go ahead and went like this. Kept it this way, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take off that little excess. Take off the little excess so it doesn't lip over. See how this works out. Taking off that little excess. So what I'll do is later on, I'll go ahead and sand it down, sand down the edges. Sand down the edges. I mean, it's still looking super solid. Look at it, it looks good. It's hard. I could probably walk on it. I'm not going to because I just made it yesterday. And this little deal is from, it started raining before it dried all the way. So what happened was the water hit it, made a little watermark before it got to dry. Now it's all dry, it rained or whatever. If it rains, it's not gonna go nowhere. But this happened to be when it was still, you know, still loose. So it made a little watermark, which is all good because I'll go ahead and paint it anyway. But look at it. I mean, it's solid. Same thing with these little marks, the rain, the water, but it's gonna get painted anyway, so. This is my other slab. Damn mosquitoes. Excuse my language, but yeah. So like these came out all right. So I still gotta sand these down a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and sand that one down. Put some rocks back there. Yeah, that's it until next time.